Hello everybody, welcome back to Pixelmon, and I'm still joined with IWNL Trist.
I'm way better than him, guys.
Our last video was pretty funny. Go check it out if you have no clue what's happening. It's Pixelmon episode 2, and yes. I did some stuff in between videos. If you want me to post what happened in between videos, tell me. I don't know if this happened last video, but I spawned this structure in because we both needed healing machines, and yes, and also the shopkeepers also spawned in because we couldn't find anything. And
why not?
I went to the Ultra Beast dimension. I think last episode I did, and I got a Beast Ball. I also have some Ultra Balls. You know, random stuff. And I also got an EXP all from killing. So what's called Steelix. And IWNL Trist stole my Steelix, right? It's in his chest. And yes, that's basically what happened in between episodes. I also caught a Gadur, cause reasons. And
because he doesn't have any Pokemons to beat me with.
I also got a Froakie, I also got my Froakie to the Frogadier, and yes, that's basically what happened.
And also, I'm so close to getting a Charizard.
Yes.
Level 30. I'm also way better than Waffle Man. I forgot what his name is.
Shut up.
Okay, Waffle Man.
It's Mr. Waffles.
No, it's Waffle Man.
Shush. Shush, puppy.
Sorry, Waffle Man.
Shush, you puppy. You're fat. You're a chipmunk. Okay, I need Dragon Rage. I literally need. Yeah, also, Dratini's very strong. Not only because he knows a lot of Dragon moves, and Dragon moves are strong.
But we missed the advisory.
Nice. Shush, David, I'm recording.
Okay.
Yes. Youse. And right now I'm trying to catch this because also right now for us it is 3:26. I changed my time because reasons. And we're having a tournament at 3:30. So 4 more minutes and
4 more minutes and I'll get whatever Pokemon I want.
No, it can't be a pseudo, and it can't be a mythical or a legendary.
So I want a Hydrodon. Level 30 Hydrodon.
That's a pseudo legendary. Is it? Wait, is Hydrodon?
It's not pseudo.
I'm pretty
It's not even pseudo. I just want him because it looks cool. It's bad. It's really bad.
I'm pretty sure it's a pseudo.
I'm pretty sure it's not.
Search it up. I'm gonna search it up. Anyways, I'm gonna still try to catch this thing right here. And great. Yeet. Pokeball. Ultra bad.
Well, why am I so much better than you?
Because you're not.
I am. I got a char. Oh, that thing's mine. That Clefairy's mine.
You trying to catch it or what? Like, what are you trying to do?
Yeah, it's mine.
Why do you want a Clefable? It's not even a Clefairy, it's a Clefable. Level 38 though, that's pretty high.
Oh, he critical hits me for 20 health.
Why do you want that? Why do you want him then? If a critical hits you
No,
for that.
killing him for EXP.
Grass type. And then he doesn't have any water.
I actually might die to this thing because I'm not even trying to kill it. I'm dead. It's purple. 饭你不好好吃，这你就绝对不吃了。鸡翅在哪？
Lol. David has things.
Shut up. Well, I'm literally two-shotting at level 38.
Cool.
You should be proud of me. And I follow my speed.
What does bide do? Can someone tell me, please? Pokemon. Move.
Well, do you have any grass types?
Bide. Bruh. Bide is literally the worst.
It's taking so long.
Wait, so like.
Oh, my Charmeleon fainted.
Nani?
But remember when my Charmeleon kept on jumping off the cliff? Bob.
Yeah.
It was so funny.
What does bide do? I'm still.
Why just waste your move?
That's so useless though.
I know. This Teddarissa wants to fight me and it's level 5.
Lol.
Well, at least it gave me fish. Right?
Bro, my Gadur is so useless, it's funny. Gadur, you're useless.
Then why did you catch it? It's wasting a swamp. Bob, if you were level higher, you would destroy me. You know that, right?
Yeah.
I just one
Yo,
shot.
what does a beast ball do?
Hmm?
What does a beast ball do?
Beast ball's like the same, but it's like better. Better. Yeah.
What do you mean they're the same, but it's better? That literally made no sense.
It's just better. It's just like better.
Like, better in what way?
Just better.
Better
in every way.
Better than what in every way?
Better than the normal Pokeball in every way possible.
Yes, every other ball than a Pokeball is better than Pokeball in every single way, so you're literally just
Ooh,
putting out.
Aerodactyl. I'm gonna kill him. Should I kill the Aerodactyl?
That's impossible unless it's a boss.
Hmm?
Aerodactyls don't even spawn.
I'm killing it.
It's called fossil Pokemon for a reason, because it's extinct. It's like Tyrannosaurus. It's like Tyrannosaurus showing up in Street Fighter. That doesn't happen, man. I love Street Fighter.
I caught it in midair.
Lol. Not sponsored by Street Fighter. Anyways. Boys, we found something.
Should I catch this Skarmory?
Boys, we found something. Boys. We found something. Boys.
Okay, he broke free. I'm killing him.
Boys, we found something. Okay, my game is lagging hard. I don't even know why. Why's my game lagging so hard? What on earth? It's probably because, like, here, close tabs to the right. Okay, done. Now it probably won't lag.
Well, you agree that I'm better than you?
No.
Only one me.
1 second, I'm trying to do something.
It's like already 30 almost.
I know it's been 3:30 for a long time. But I'm
No,
not.
it's been 3:30 for less than a minute.
I know. Cool.
Only one me, I'll destroy you.
Oh my goodness, this Pokemon machine looks weird. Okay.
Oh, where are you
Oh
from?
my god, I don't know why my game's lagging so hard. Every time I don't record, my game doesn't lag. Every time I start recording, my game starts lagging.
Because
shouldn't
your
even
recording takes space.
Okay, honestly though, I probably have like Look, I only have this tab opened. Minecraft, auto. Okay, probably because of this. My auto.
Bob, go kill yourself. Bob, go kill yourself and then respawn, and then I'm gonna 1v1 you.
Fortnite's garbage. I don't care.
Bob,
JK.
please.
No offense to the Fortnite players out there, but it's bad. I don't like Fortnite.
Yeah, Fortnite's bad.
Minecraft all the way! All hail Minecraft!
But where are you?
I'm in a village.
Which way did we go from spawn?
Every way.
Hop yourself and tell me, and teleport me to you.
No.
Why?
Because you're eating chicken wings.
I'm not. I'm eating, chicken roll.
No, I'm joking. I can smell your chicken through the screen. I smell chicken. I don't know why, but I smell chicken. Okay, I actually can't handle this anymore. I can't handle this anymore, boys. I can't. It's so hard, okay? My game, like, it's just hard. I don't know why even. Like, why?
Just 1v1 me, man.
No, shush. Shush,
I don't want to smelling chicken because you're chicken.
Shh. Let's go. Let's fight right now. I'll destroy you. Here, I'll need to kill myself first. All my Pokemons are healed, and let's fight. Oop, boop, 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 boop.
Where are you?
I'm drowning in a river.
Okay.
I'll try something. I'm drowning. Ugh. If I can make this, boys, I will not. I refuse to die if I can make. Oh, sure, I'm good. Anyways, let's go. Winner of this tournament wins in any Pokemon and it has to be level 40.
Okay, Bob, give me a hydrogen. Bob, give me a hydrogen.
No. Okay, let's fight first.
I 100% won.
Bro, let's go. Let's go. 30 Pokemon.
Where the hell are you?
I'm right here. 30 Pokemon. Except. Let's go! Idiot. You're dead. Shindeo. Got him. Everybody got EXP for that. I knew you would caught this Pokemon. But that's a weird move. Why would you? Why? I don't understand. It's a.
It's super effective. You did less than 40 damage.
Nice. Use wagon wage. Fuck! I'm gonna blur that out. Chip away, boys. Chip away. You know, slowly and this dude literally has the worst moves possible. I can't even kill. This dude doesn't even have an attack that actually does a little bit of damage. Like, look at what you're doing.
You did 5 damage to me.
This dude is so useless. Oh yeah.
Oh, you have another one.
Fire speed.
Why did you go first?
Cause I'm a better turtle. Lol. It's super effective and yeah, right.
I'm just waiting for a crit.
Oh sure, it was the wrong move. Bruh, why is that crit? I don't understand.
I guessed it. I guessed the crit. Oh, he's dead. Almost. One move and he's dead. Well, I win.
And then if I use this.
I'm going first. No, you want. Okay.
Ha! You're slowly dying.
Just gonna wait until you don't protect yourself. Okay, you're dead. Yay!
I only have one Pokemon left.
Hakamomo. It's level 35. What?
Zen headbutt.
Okay, I lost.